AYANA Soluna Villas, Hillside luxury residence, the ideal sanctuary for families seeking privacy and exceptional quality. Located in the tranquil yet accessible Maldives area, AYANA Soluna Villas offers seclusion from urban intensity while maintaining proximity to Phuket's premier international schools and medical facilities, ensuring excellence in your children's education and your family's healthcare needs. For sports and outdoor enthusiasts, a wealth of recreational opportunities await at your doorstep. Rock climbing facility, equestrian centers, shady jogging and cycling trails. Your healthy lifestyle begins the moment you arrive home. AYANA Soluna Villas site area 115,200 square meters. Villa count 62 standalone luxury residences. Each villa is embraced by mountains views and pristine natural surroundings, offering expensive living spaces, private country yard and gardens, an atmosphere of refined exclusivity. AYANA Soluna Villas chooses property ownership. It represents a legacy for generations to come. From nurturing your child's development to sharing vibrant, healthy living with loved ones, each day creates lasting family memories. From sunrise to sunset, experience genuine connection with the natural world, listening to your inner voice, witness the changing seasons, and embrace every beautiful moment as it unfolds.